Oh. Hey guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to Makeup by Taylor. Yay, woo, possess. So today I'm doing another Shopkins unboxing, and this time I have the Series 3 Shopkins, and there's a slight difference between the Series 2 Shopkins crates. This one's just pink and purple, and then these ones are teal, and they have they have like a sparkly pink basket. Now I'm going to unbox these. I'm very excited. I haven't done like an unboxing video in a really long time. Like a Shopkins or blind box unboxing. And it has a piece of buttered toast and an ice cream sundae on the packaging, and a telephone. And these are by Moose Toys. Moose Toys creates these, or creates and manufactures these, I think. And I actually found these at Target. Like they had like the little box of the blind they had like the little box of them, which had the like little individual bags. So I'm gonna open the first one. And I like the packaging more on these ones because it's very sparkly. And then we have our trusty little guide. Our little guide. So here is the first one. Oh, I got a little television. It's so cute. So the little television's name is Teeny TV. So this is Teeny TV. And it's purple. I love the color purple. It's just really cute and adorable. And it has little shades. And then the second little unboxing. Oh, this is a cute one too. And this is in the homeware. This is Mixie and Maxie, and it's common, and Teeny TV is rare. So we got those two. I'm going to put them in their little baskets. Now on to the last box, the last shopping cart. So I got a shoe. And the shoe's name is Wilma Wedge. I think that's really cute and clever. They have, I think my favorite shoe on this on this list is Beverly Hills. I think that's so clever with the name. It's cute. And on to the last Shopkin. Ooh, I think I got the little telephone that's featured on the packaging. Let me see. There's that little telephone dude. And this is in the homeware section, and his name is Chatter. I think that's really cute. They have a blue one, and I really want the blue one, and this is a rare. I think it's really cute. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any suggestions on what you want me to do for our next video, please let me know in the comments below. I have a Facebook page, Makeup by Taylor, or www.facebook.com/makeupbytaylor8. I have an Instagram, Sassy_Taylor8. I will link that in the description below. I have a picture in the bottom right corner. If you click on that, it'll bring you to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe maybe if you want to subscribe. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!